Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Ipsum. It has 50,950 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away as well. All right, as y'all can see down here, this is the kilometers, 81,997. The miles, again, is 50,950. I did want to point out that from time to time, the check engine light will come on. The vehicle does still run and drive really good. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any other questions, give us a call. We'd love to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.